back to yet another vlog. Hey, before we move to today's vlog, guys, I must say a very big thank you to every one of you for pulling out the other week, last week, for me. Thank you very much, guys. I'm super grateful. You guys are so amazing. Today I have a lot of cooking here and there to do. So I'm making cake for someone. It's a surprise cake. It's actually a simple cake, just a vanilla cake, and it's going to be a naked cake. There's no decoration whatsoever, no fondant, no butter icing, nothing, just bare naked cake. Okay, this is past 2 already, and I'm running late already. I have a lot to catch up on, and I haven't had lunch, and I'm just snacking on this biscuit. You guys can see. I'm also going to be showing you guys my special toast. Have you ever tried any of my special toast? And I know for now I have a lot of special toast that I'll put out for you guys, special toast for you guys to try out again. I'm going to show you guys right in this vlog.
Cause when you're born, I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The curtain's drawn, can't shut my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go. I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone. If you're not there,